toys.
You wanna buy toys? Why do you always like to buy toys?
I like it. I want to buy toys.
Where are we going now?
Going to mall and buy toys.
Mm.
Let's try.
Oh, you sing first if you want me to buy a toy.
Let it go.
One more. Go.
Let go.
Let it go. Huh?
Here, winner.
Ay, why are you bringing that?
Ellie, you sing. I'll buy you one toy. Come on, you sing.